Good morning, children. Today I'm so happy to introduce a robo which can work on a remote control signal, and at the same time the robo can communicate wirelessly back to us. So this has got wide variety of applications. One such application today I'm going to demonstrate on detecting metals. So let's see how it's going to help us detecting metals and communicate back to us whenever it detects the metal. Now I have a remote control in hand, and I'm trying to ask robot to go ahead and see if any metal is detected or not. So let me put on the robo in on mode. So let me switch on the robo power. So we have here one power switch. So the power switch is now on, and so I just switched on the power, and in fact I'm giving a signal to robo and it's going front. In fact, what we can do is we can check. So this way we can check. See the movement. So the moment it detects the metal and it gives you localized signal, a buzzer, at the same time it gives you a flashlight so that you can identify from very far of distance that this robot detected some metals. So this is very useful for a lot of different applications. So let me bring back the robot back to us. See, I just wanted to show you. So the robo is away from the metal, which means now there is no signal, and again I'm asking robo to go front and see if there is a metal or not. See, the moment it detects the metal, it again. Now the interesting fact of this robo design model, and it is also wirelessly transmitting a signal so that the same alarm signal can also be received on remotely placed alarms at various places for various government officials, whoever intended to receive the signal. Again I'm asking robot to come back. So this way you can see how. So now in this close-up look, I would like to explain you the different parts of this robo. So there are two circuit boards. One is to sense the metal, the other is to transmit the signal, and there's a battery power, and next to that is a power socket where you can also charge this robot through your solar plates. And next to that there's a white box which receives your control signals to order the robot to go wherever you want, like front, back, left, right, whatever way you want. Like. So I hope you enjoyed this function of robo well. So let me show you once again. And this is the remote which I am using to control this robo. So I hope you enjoy this very well. And the signal at this point of time from this small remote in fact is going almost near about 100 feet, and also the alarm signal whatever is coming from this robo is getting back tested for almost 100 feet. So for 100 feet this functionality of this robo is beautiful. However, we can raise the range if required based on the different application, but as of now this is specially made for children to understand different functions and activities that they can learn from robotics and main from Robolab, again a part of Children's Circuit Lab of scientificstudents.com. Thanks for watching this video, and let me show you once again the way it goes front and detects the. So once again you can enjoy. Okay, so come back, Robo. See, now my dear children, I have a question for you guys. So children, the question for you guys, like how this robot sensing a metal placed underneath. I mean, at this point of time I'm using my cutting plier where it has got some metal, so that whenever I'm asking this robot to go up above on that, and it is sensing the metal and giving you the alarm. Now the question, on what basis, on what working principle this detects the metal? That's important, that sensing part. So I mean, you need to understand, basically for many of your required thoughts and the questions, basically you must have an idea like about mainly sensing. After that, taking the sense as a signal and processing it and controlling it and getting back to whatever way you want. So that's an action. So that and all is possible. Only the thing, for what all the required applications, you need to have the solutions. That is what is the main basic prime important thinking. So I request you all to develop your thinking process so that you'll have a number of questions to solve a number of problems of humans or whoever, or living beings. Okay, now see how I can ask a robot go up above the metal. As of now we are using the cutting plier. Okay, I hope you'll enjoy that. Thanks. So I hope you all enjoyed, my dear children, and I wish you all will have maximum interest to build such kind of practical electronics based robots. Thanks.